If you've been customizing your gaming setup and want to upgrade your case airflow with a bit of RGB magic, this list is for you. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell. I keep the reviews real and straight to the point. Let's get into it, starting with number 5. Number 5. Cooler Master Mobius 120p ARGB. Starting off the list is the Cooler Master Mobius 120p ARGB, a fan that combines smart design, high performance, and a clean RGB aesthetic. Designed with a loop dynamic bearing system, it offers long-lasting durability and low operational noise, even at its top speed of 2,400 RPM. That speed gives it powerful airflow and impressive static pressure, especially useful when mounted to radiators or behind tight mesh panels. One of the most unique aspects of the Mobius 120p is its ring blade design. Instead of traditional separated blades, the Mobius uses interconnecting fan blades that reduce turbulence, improve stability, and direct airflow more efficiently. That means you get smoother cooling and less noise, a win-win for performance-focused PC builders. Visually, the ARGB lighting is subtle but sharp. The central ring glows evenly with customizable effects, and the outer edge lights up in sync, offering a clean, premium look without going over the top. It works with all major RGB ecosystems like ASUS Aura, MSI, Mystic Light, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, and more. Installation is hassle-free, thanks to daisy chaining support and universal 4-pin PWM and 3-pin ARGB headers. If you're using multiple fans in a build, cable management stays simple and tidy. That's especially helpful in compact or minimalist setups where every detail matters. Who's it for? Ideal for users who want quiet performance and reliable cooling without flashy lighting overload. Whether you're building a stealthy workstation or a stylish gaming rig, this fan blends in and performs. Bottom line, the Cooler Master Mobius 120p RGB proves that you don't need over-the-top RGB to stand out. With great cooling, silent operation and a thoughtful design, it's a smart and refined way to kick off the list. Number 4. Thermaltake Cetone 120EX RGB. Next up is the Thermaltake Cetone 120EX RGB, a performance-focused fan that's quickly become a favorite among PC builders who care about both function and looks. This 120mm fan is equipped with a newly designed hydraulic bearing and a reinforced motor hub, giving it a smooth rotation, excellent lifespan, and impressive airflow output. It spins up to 2,000 RPM and delivers up to 70.8 CFM of airflow, all while staying under 28 dBA. One thing Thermaltake absolutely nailed with the Cetone 120EX is its lighting. Unlike traditional fans that only light the hub or blades, this one features a full-frame ARGB ring that creates a stunning, uniform glow around the entire edge. Combined with its frosted fan blades, the lighting diffusion is soft, vibrant, and highly customizable through all major motherboard software platforms. Performance-wise, it's not just about looks. The fan's optimized blade design enhances static pressure, making it perfect for radiator or AIO setups, while also working great for high airflow case configurations. And thanks to its anti-vibration pads, it stays stable and quiet, even under full load. Installation is tool-free, and cable management is smooth, thanks to daisy chaining capabilities. That means fewer connectors, cleaner builds, and less time fiddling with fan hubs or splitters. Who's it for? This fan is made for builders who want powerful airflow, top-tier lighting, and dependable performance without breaking the bank. Ideal for mid to high-end gaming PCs or anyone refreshing their cooling system with a bit of RGB flair. Bottom line, The Thermaltake C-Tone 120 EX ARGB delivers where it counts: cooling performance, stunning lighting, and solid build quality. If you want your PC to run cool and look sharp, this fan earns its spot at number 4. Number 3. Corsair iCUE Link QX120 RGB. At number 3 is the Corsair iCUE Link QX120 RGB, an absolute showpiece in the world of premium RGB fans. With Corsair's new iCUE Link ecosystem, this fan introduces a smart, simplified cabling system that dramatically cuts down clutter. Each fan connects directly to the next with a magnetic connector, passing both power and data. No more messy daisy chains or splitters. Specs-wise, the QX120 features a magnetic levitation bearing, which gives it ultra-smooth and silent performance even at higher speeds. It spins up to 2,400 RPM and delivers up to 63.1 CFM airflow, making it perfectly capable for case cooling or radiator mounting. The static pressure is solid, and the cooling performance is consistent across all speeds. Now let's talk. Lighting this fan is stunning. It includes 34 individually addressable RGB LEDs with a dual-zone layout, one ring on the hub and another on the outer frame. The result? Layered, 3D-like lighting effects that make your build look dynamic and alive. All effects are fully customizable using Corsair's iCUE software, giving you near-limitless control over patterns and color sync across your build. Installation is a dream if you're using iCUE Link components. One cable to the hub, and the rest clicks together. Clean, fast, efficient. And the build quality? As you'd expect from Corsair. Top-tier plastics, reinforced structure, and smooth edges. Who's it for? This fan is built for serious PC builders who want the best of both aesthetics and smart cable management. If you're all about clean internals and rich lighting effects, the QX120 will exceed your expectations. Bottom line, with its advanced lighting, magnetic levitation, and revolutionary iCUE Link system, the QX120 is one of the most forward-thinking fans on the market. It's not cheap, but if you want the best, this is where the fun begins. If you're enjoying this countdown and want more no-fluff, honest tech reviews, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out. Number 2. NZXT F120 RGB Duo. Coming in at number 2 is the NZXT F120 RGB Duo, a beautifully designed fan that delivers impressive lighting and reliable performance in a sleek, minimalist package. What makes it stand out is its dual-sided RGB lighting, with 18 LEDs on the front and another 18 on the back, giving your build glow from every angle, no matter how you install it. This design means you no longer have to choose between airflow direction and showing off your RGB. Now you can have both. The fan spins up to 1,800 RPM and delivers 50.2 CFM airflow, which is more than enough for typical case cooling and works well on radiators too. It uses a fluid dynamic bearing for long-term durability and smooth, quiet performance, typically running under 26 dBA in most setups. Despite not having the highest airflow on this list, it's extremely consistent and optimized for balanced builds. NZXT's CAM software makes it easy to sync lighting effects with other NZXT products, and the Duo fans support daisy chaining through proprietary RGB connectors. Though, you'll need a compatible controller for full access to custom effects. Design-wise, the F120 RGB Duo fits right in with clean, modern builds. The lighting diffusion is soft and even on both sides, and the matte frame blends nicely into most aesthetics. Whether you're going for a front intake, top exhaust, or vertical GPU mount. This fan keeps your RGB visible and your airflow steady. Who's it for? It's a great fit for builders who want dual-sided lighting without giving up solid thermal performance. If you're already in the NZXT ecosystem or just want symmetrical RGB across your build, this fan nails it. Bottom line, the NZXT F120 RGB Duo strikes a beautiful balance between form and function, with clean lighting on both sides, smooth airflow, and dependable build quality. It's a top-tier choice for RGB fans who care about symmetry and style. And finally, my number one pick, Lian Fan SL LCD Wireless 120. Topping the list is the Lian Fan SL LCD Wireless 120, a fan that completely redefines what RGB customization looks like. This isn't just another flashy fan. It's a full-on display with a built-in 1.6-inch LCD screen embedded in the hub, letting you showcase system stats, custom images, GIFs, or logos, all in real time. But it's not all about the screen. These fans also deliver excellent performance, up to 2,100 RPM, 65.4 CFM airflow, and strong static pressure for both radiator and case use. The fluid dynamic bearing keeps operations smooth and whisper quiet, even under load. You also get full software control through Lian's L-Connect 3, where you can sync lighting, animations, and real-time monitoring widgets across your system. The wireless part refers to the new cable-free interlocking design, where multiple fans snap together without messy wires, a massive win for clean builds and airflow efficiency. Power and signal are delivered via a single contact pin system through a hub, making installation faster and the interior of your case much cleaner. Lighting is also next level, with fully addressable edge lighting and rich diffusion. The SL LCD looks just as good off-angle as it does head-on. Whether it's a showpiece side fan or a front-mounted display row, it draws attention in all the right ways. Who's it for? This one's made for hardcore builders and modders who want to go beyond RGB and truly personalize their system. If you're creating a showcase PC or want next-gen lighting with zero cable hassle, this is it. Bottom line, the Lian Fan SL LCD. Wireless 120 isn't just a fan, it's a feature. With clean performance, brilliant lighting, and full LCD customization, it earns the #1 spot without question. A premium choice for those who want their build to speak for itself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.